There's Mr. Buford. He's sitting on the couch, just watching a little TV this evening. He really likes to watch QVC. He's just trying to figure out what he's going to get his mommy for her birthday. He's not quite sure yet what he's going to buy, but he's thinking while he watches. Yes, he's thinking. He's thinking he might like to have some loving in the way of a belly rub. You want a belly rubbing? Listen to that thumpy tail. Buford. Buford, oh. He's been bothered by some allergies lately. He gets the itchy scratchies and he bites himself a lot. Hey there, big boy, are you sleepy? You look so sleepy. You're always sleepy. You're always sleepy. Are you posing? Are you posing for your video? Are you? Oh. Well, goodness gracious. Always sleepy, Mr. Buford. Always sleepy. Where's that sister of yours? Where is she? Is she in her bed? Where is she? Will you just say, I don't care about her? Did you just watch your paw? Alright. There's an awful lot of thumping going on down there with that tail. Thumpy thump thump. You gonna do anything else? You're just gonna lay there and look cute? Alright.